What's going on, everyone? I'm here today to show you how to make NFTs so you can quit your day job and still make a good chunk of money. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up Paint on your computer. Once you have that open a new tab, look up NFT, just go over to images, get some inspiration. I see these all the time personally on Twitter, so I'm going to take inspiration from that. We're going to open a new tab, search ape. Again, go to images. It doesn't really matter which one you pick here. I think I like this guy right here. He's looking pretty good. Gonna copy that, come back to Paint, paste him in, nice little reference photo, throw him over there, and then you're gonna start drawing. We're gonna use the dropper tool, just grab the color, just use a circle for the face. Dump the bucket there, close enough. Don't worry if you're not a good artist. I'm pretty sure the shittier it looks, the more it sells for. So you're just gonna, do your best. Just kind of like add the hair, Doesn't have to look perfect. Just try your hardest. And I'll be back when this is done. Just adding some finishing touches here. A little bit of, fur texture. Just got a little extra color in there. Might as well. And this is how it came out. I think he looks pretty good. Don't worry if it doesn't look how you want it to look. I think the value comes with the shittiness, but this is pretty good for me, I think. We're just going to drop a save. Once you have a save, you just want to open them up. Go over here to the crop tool, get rid of that reference photo, save a copy, and just like that, you have an NFT. I don't like to do apes every time. It gets a little boring. So here's some of my others. I did Chicken Little. Big Chicken Little guy. We also have Sephiroth from Final Fantasy, the binoculars from Toy Story. It's really whatever you want it to be. These are some of my personal favorites, but again, it doesn't really matter. The worse it looks, the better. But I hope this helped. I named this 35 Ethereum. That's going to be my starting price. And I hope you guys can, learn from this. I've had a lot more free time ever since I started doing this. I can play a lot more of my favorite games. I love to play video games. And I have a lot more free time to play these. So, yeah, I hope this helps. And thanks for watching. See ya.